Hey guys, welcome back again to Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you see or check activities into your Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. I'm opening my Brave browser into here, and after opening your browser, simply search for coinbase.com and open the site for Coinbase and log in your account into there. And now after logging in, you will get this button to My Assets option. Just simply click into that and then you can see all of your balances into here. And after that, you can also see your tax activities into here. In order to view the activities, simply click into this Visit Taxes option. And after that, click into this Documents option. Then you can get this Transaction History Statements option. Now in order to view your statement or activities, click into this Visit Statements option. Then you can download all of your activities from here. Just simply select the format and download your activities into your computer, and then you are ready to view the activities into your Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.